Hello everyone and welcome back to the Gadget Grid. Today, we're excited to bring you a review of the latest and greatest from Apple, the 10th generation Apple iPad. Specifically, we'll be taking a closer look at the 10.9-inch iPad in pink with Wi-Fi cellular capabilities and 256 GB of storage. Display. First things first, let's talk about the gorgeous 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display with True Tone. The colors are vibrant, the resolution is stunning, 2360 by 1640 pixels. And the True Tone technology adapts to your environment for a more comfortable viewing experience. Performance. Under the hood, the iPad boasts an A14 Bionic chip with a 6-core CPU and 4-core GPU. This means that it's fast, efficient, and perfect for multitasking. Whether you're streaming content, browsing the web, or working on a project, the iPad can handle it all with ease. Camera. The iPad also has an impressive 12 megapixels wide back camera and a landscape 12 megapixels ultra wide front camera with center stage. This is great for capturing all of life's special moments or even for video conferencing with colleagues or loved ones. Security. For security, the iPad features Touch ID for secure authentication and Apple Pay. This is a convenient and safe way to unlock your device or make purchases. Connectivity. The iPad supports both Wi-Fi 6 and 5G, Sub-6 GHz, cellular connectivity. This means that you can stay connected wherever you go, without having to worry about slow or spotty internet. Other features. The iPad also has a USB-C connector for charging and accessories, and it's compatible with the first-generation Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard Folio. Plus, with the latest iPad OS 16, you'll have access to powerful new productivity and collaboration features, delivery, returns, and warranty. As an added bonus, this item qualifies for free Prime delivery and free returns. Additionally, the manufacturer's warranty is available upon request and should be reviewed carefully before making your purchase. Discount. And the best part, for a limited time, this 10.9-inch iPad is available at a 25% discount. Overall, we highly recommend the 10.9-inch iPad, Wi-Fi cellular, 256 GB, pink, 10th generation, from Apple. With its stunning display, powerful performance, and versatile features, it's the perfect device for anyone looking to enhance their productivity, creativity, or entertainment experience. Thanks for watching and we'll see you